What is up, my friends? Today I'm going to teach you how to bend like a professional. Now, if you're playing this on an acoustic guitar, it's going to be a little bit harder for you to bend on an acoustic guitar, so I recommend getting an electric. But if you don't, the principles work the same way. Okay, you're going to need two things for your bending. You're going to need the note that you're starting from, and then you're going to need a note that you're bending to. So for today's example, I'm going to use the 7th fret of the B string. This is an F sharp. You could literally choose any note. Preferably you want to choose a note on the highest strings. It's going to be easier for you to bend, make your life easier. Okay, so 7th fret of the B string, I'm going to try to bend it just a half step up to the 8th fret of the B string. So this is an F sharp and this is a G. So I'm going to try to get this F sharp. I'm going to bend it till it sounds like this note. Okay, so I'm going to play the G first. I'm going to remember the sound of that G in my head. And then I'm going to bend this, and I'm going to try to match it to the pitch in my head. Now you can also do that with a whole step bend. So once again, starting on the 7th fret of the B string, I'm going to try to bend it till it sounds like this note, which is on the 9th fret of the B string. So that's a G sharp. Okay, so remember the sound. There we go. Now, if you're feeling really adventurous and you want to bend all the way up, depending on the gauge of your strings, which is the thickness of your strings, you could also choose to do a 1.5 step bend, which is 3 frets away. So this is your starting note, and your destination note is going to be on the 10th fret of the B string. All right, so remember the sound of that note in your head. It also helps to sing it sometimes. And then you're going to bend. Give it a little shake at the end over there. All right. I hope that was helpful. Make this a discipline. Make this part of your practicing if you're at that stage where you're still learning how to bend. This is one of the most important, most crucial exercises that got me to that place where I'm able to bend in pitch anytime at all, regardless of what the song is. So I hope that helps. Leave me a comment if you really enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.